Struggling to find content that represents you? Sick of news feeds that are overflowing with non-beneficial information? The OnePath Network mobile app is designed to give you full access to beneficial Islamic content made by Muslims for Muslims. Have access to a tailored and personalized viewing experience in a clean and organized interface. Sift through hundreds of videos, reminders and short films made to inspire, entertain and increase you in knowledge. Listen to podcasts, Quran recitations and exclusive interviews directly from our app anytime, anywhere, with a variety of content for the entire family. And when it's time to wind down, sit back and enjoy exclusive access to short films and documentaries in full 4K resolution, or even download them to watch offline at your leisure. Subscribe to our premium content to unlock a learning portal of masterclasses on Arabic and the Islamic sciences. Stream content from any device to your TV and enjoy all of our content on the big screen. Get notifications straight to your phone and share with your friends and family. Download the OnePath app today, available on App Store and Play Store.